Are you looking for that last minute gift for her, your sister, your mom, your girlfriend, your wife, aunt? In this video, I'm going to talk about my top 15 Christmas gifts or gifts in general. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's see, am I missing anything? Nope, I got it all. I got it all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jeweely Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Today, I want to talk about my top 15 gift ideas for Christmas that I absolutely love. Show you some of them that are already boxed and some ideas how you can present them. They're in no particular order, but they're gifts that your special lady will always love. So I'm going to start with some of the things that I always love to get, which number one, perfume. Perfume is the perfect gift for any female who wouldn't always love to be smelling lovely during the holidays all the time. Perfume is perfect. So these two perfumes are my top two. I don't want to go deep into too many perfumes, but these are my top two. So one of my top picks this year is the Gucci Bloom. Can you guys see that? All right. My other top pick is Balenciaga, the Flora Botanica. Oh, that doesn't help. Oh my goodness. Okay, now this one, y'all, I am almost out of. And you can get me this any day of the week. It smells so beautiful. It has like a light floral but distinct smell, and you don't need a lot, and it lasts all day. I get so many people asking me about that perfume. So those are luxury perfumes. They last a good long time. I think I've had my Gucci Bloom and my Balenciaga for over 3 to 4 months, and I might wear them like 2 to 3 times a week. But anyway, so perfume is excellent to get, and they come packaged very nicely, easy to wrap. Books, I absolutely love getting books. This book was a gift, and I really would like to have his newest book, but books are always a good gift for last minute ideas. Excellent to give as gifts to people who love to read. I also want the Stacey Abrams book, and I will put pictures of those books. I think the Barack Obama book is called A Promised Land, and I've been hearing great things about that book, so I want to see that, or I want to read that. And also, Bath and Body Works came out with this new luxurious moisturizing body wash, and so I absolutely love this body wash. And so what I did was, they also give you the packaging to make your own gift. So they give you the bag that you put it in, they give you the tag and the bow. So that is beautiful. And so I did that as a gift. Now, you know, this year, cardigans are really, really popular. So a nice cardigan, I like the nice fluffy ones. So, but the long ones, it's the long ones that I like. And so let me try this on for you so you can see how it looks. Not only did I get the solid prints, it changes, it kind of just like upgrades your outfit. Like if you have on something like I have on. I normally wear like a solid color underneath the cardigan, but I'm going to show you how that looks. So you can see how I'm wearing that. It's really, really, really cute. Okay. I also have a printed cardigan that I like as well. So this is a printed cardigan, and I will try to put the link in there just giving you some ideas, but I'll try to put the link in there so you guys know where to pick these up. I want to say I got them on Amazon. I get a lot of stuff on Amazon. This was the black one. And I'm going to take this off because it's a little bit hot. But yeah, a cardigan this year is nice. They're trending. Also, anytime you're looking for something last minute, anything luxury, a luxury item from Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Versace, whatever, something that you think outside of the box. You don't have to go really, really big, but Louis Vuitton has some very, very timeless scarves that I absolutely love, and I will show you some of those here. A scarf, a luxury scarf. They're a little bit expensive for a scarf, but they're timeless. They come packaged very nicely in this nice shelf open package that you get. And this is the one that I've got, and it comes nicely wrapped. So this is the one that I've got. It's beautiful. I'll put the name of it in the description. You can wear it around your neck. Really, really cute. You can tie it on your bag, however you want to wear it. You can wear it as a headscarf. You can also wear it as a band. If you want to do that, you can tie it on your waist if you want to do that. So I got two scarves that I want to show you. The other one is the brown one. And guys, these are gorgeous. Look at that detail. So a luxury scarf. It does not have to be Louis. It could be Hermes. It could be Gucci, whatever. Those are always nice to give as a last minute wow gift. Nothing major. I love music all the time, anytime when I just need to chill, want to relax, but really mainly when I work out. Music does something for me when I work out. I need it to just keep me motivated, to keep me going, to just make me feel alive. I love music. Any occasion that I can play music, I'll play it. Sometimes I just blast it in the house and I just have my own party. So I love it. I love it. Wanted some more headphones, some Beats headphones, because these are the ones with the wire. So this year I've asked for the wireless ones, and I'll put a picture. So headphones so that your girl can listen to music, she can work out. Beautiful, they're nice, love them. Okay, that's what I wanted. Also, planners and notebooks. Of course, you guys know these are my designs for planners and notebooks, and they are fabulous. This is a nurse practitioner planner. We have mental health planners. We have all different types of planners and notebooks. These are just something to write in. I always have a notebook with me to jot down notes and everything like that. This year I've asked for a Ninja Foodie, Foodie oven, which I think is going to be fabulous. I've also asked for a margarita blender from Margaritaville. The one that I think I'm going to get, it ends up actually being from the Ninja brand. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not, but I'm going to let you guys know if I get some of the stuff that I asked for. Also a stethoscope. Stethoscope for anyone who's in the medical field. I love the Littman 3, the classic, because I love that it has a double bell on it where you can listen to heart murmurs as well as regular heart tones. So I love a good stethoscope. So that to me is a great gift. Anything in your lady's field that she will use, that she will love. Also sometimes some little just niche things for her in her profession. I absolutely love taking care of my hair and my face. Women love to look beautiful and feel beautiful. So I know that the steamer, the hair steamer, and the facial steamer is excellent for a gift. Also, I have a lot of jewelry. I love jewelry, but if you don't store them properly, they can get damaged, they can get tangled, and it's really, really hard to manage. And because I am one that needs to organize, if I don't see it, I never use it. So I need a jewelry organizer. That is on my list this year. And I think that will be a perfect gift for any female in your life. Also, Novelty Socks are wonderful. They're wonderful to have. I absolutely love socks. I am a person who lounges. I like my feet covered. I like to walk around the house in socks. So I always need socks. I love socks. So that's another great gift for your girl. Another thing that is an excellent gift for someone who has everything is a gift card to a restaurant, like their favorite restaurant. I absolutely love restaurants, so a good gift card is always a good gift. And yeah, so the next thing that I want to talk to you about is a big luxury item that I asked for this year, and I ended up getting it from, I know I shouldn't know all this, but you know, as you get older, you kind of just, you don't wait for all your gifts. So because you want something that you're really going to use and really wear. So for me, I ended up getting the Gucci boots, the combat boots. I wanted these babies so bad, guys. These boots are fire. Oh my God, let me show you guys. So it comes in this nice box. Everything comes in a box. It's like a drawer, you can pull it open like that. And they come in a dust bag. I probably should have had this out, sorry. It comes in a nice, each boot comes in a nice dust bag like this. And this is the boot. Y'all, look at that. Look at it. Y'all, that boot is fire. Hold on, I want y'all to see this boot. This is the Star Trail Louis Vuitton combat boot. It has leather shoestrings. It is sturdy. It's everything. And when I say everything, I say everything. And y'all, it's comfortable. You can wear it with a dress. You can wear it with sweats. I'm actually going to show you guys a picture. I'm going to do like a little, I guess a little photo shoot, whatever, after the holiday of the gifts that I get, because I think I'm going to wear those boots with some sweats, and then I'm going to wear it with a dress and a little jazz up, comfortable jazz up, something that I think you guys are gonna love. So those are my recommendations. Let me make sure I got everything. Oh, so this should be the top 15 or plus items that you can get for your girl for Christmas, guys. I hope this is helpful. I'm telling you, these gifts are timeless. Check back with this video just to see, maybe for birthdays or special occasions, anniversaries. I'm telling you, you will not go wrong with any of these gifts, guys. Hey guys, this video does include Amazon links to my affiliate page. So when you get to the end of the video, if you like any of the items, I have a link for you in the description. Let's see, am I missing anything? Nope, I got it all. I got it all. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Get out there, get your last minute gifts, and hey, Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Thanks for stopping by. Merry Christmas.